everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reads and Things. I do crafting, cooking, and travel on my page. Please hit the like button and hit the notification and make sure to turn on that notification bell when I upload videos so you get to see more things that I'm creating. Let's make us a bow. We're going to do a St. Patrick's Day door hanger today. This is the Easy Bow Maker. I don't want a really big bow because this isn't going to be a big door hanger. So I'm going to go out to 3.5 inches, maybe 4. We love big bows. We don't want it to cover up our entire door hanger. I'm adding this just to give it a little more sparkle. And that's what sheer ribbon is really good for. To add just a little bit of sparkle to your bows. Then I'm dovetailing in. And then, since it's St. Patrick's Day, it can't be St. Patrick's Day without the pot of gold. Just saying. Gotta have some gold. Okay, let's pick this up. Put our pipe cleaner around and then spin the ribbon and not the pipe cleaner. And there's our bow. Then you just fluff this out a little bit.